Hi everyone, how are you all? Welcome back to Giver Talks. Today I'm going to share with you some useful tips for Georgia traveling. Let's start with the most important one, the visa. To check the requirements, you need to visit their official website. It is called evisa.gov.ge. You need to visit this website and you need to fill all requirements, and it will let you know you need to apply for visa or you are eligible for on arrival visa. From Kuwait, we are eligible for on arrival visa. Along with the visa, you need to carry insurance. Yes, this is a requirement for Georgia travel. If you want to know about the insurance websites, let me know. I can give you in the comment box. Money. In Georgia, their currency is Georgian laris. I always recommend you to carry Georgian laris with you from wherever you are traveling, because small shops, they will ask for cash only, and even for the traveling and you go for souvenirs or you go for the street food, they definitely ask you for cash. So always keep cash with you. Next point is about internet. How we do? Usually we used to activate roaming, right? Yes. Actually, when you land in Georgia, finish all procedures, when you come out from the airport, even in the airport, like there are so many shops, you can buy a SIM card over there and it will be valid for 14 days and they give unlimited internet. It costs around 25 gels. So it is always better to buy over there. Accommodation. So usually we do online booking, right? That if you are going through travel agent, they will do everything. But if you are going by yourself and you are organizing everything, absolutely fine. So you can go through some booking apps like booking.com, or so many apps are there, and you choose a hotel and check the all facilities what they have. Once you book the hotel, always make sure they will provide you those all services, because many hotels, they mention many services. When you call and confirm, they will say we don't have this service right now, we have this problem, we have that problem. So to avoid these things, you always call and confirm. And also I will recommend you to go for 4-star or 5-star hotels, because they are not much costly. Because if you go for below that, you will not reach your expectations over there. Maybe their facilities, you won't be happy with it. So you can check their pictures and inquire about it, don't go blindly. About food, their food is so delicious. They will not have much spicy, but it is so flavorish, and you definitely try their food, you will definitely like it. And they have many food delivery apps. They called Bolt, Volt, Glovo. Once you download them, usually mostly all apps, they will provide first 15 days free delivery. So you can order food and you can enjoy. About the taxis, you can download Bolt app. Wherever you are, in just few minutes, car will arrive in front of you, and their charges are very reasonable. And public transportation, they have bus and metro, and they have small scooters even. They're so good, you can try it, and their prices are so reasonable. And about the foods you can try, like khinkali and kachapuri, eggplants with some walnuts, and their ice creams and chimney. They have so many, we tried so much. They are very good. And chicken tikka is a completely different taste. And fish, grilled fish, so good it is. And even different kind of french fries, like Mexican french fries with different flavors, they are so good, you can try. Souvenirs or gift items. How many of you like to buy these souvenirs? Usually when we go for traveling, we always likes to buy souvenirs, right? Like whenever we see them, like we will remember all memories, how we enjoy, it will give you sweet memories. To buy souvenirs in Georgia, go to Liberty Square. Where is Liberty Square? It is center of Tbilisi. Wherever you are staying, you can book a taxi. They will drop you over there and roam around Liberty Square. You will see many streets inside. You go to streets, walk around, you will find lot of shops and lot of street food. And there are some restaurants, they give very reasonable rates. And you whenever you go for walking, you feel like really refreshing. Go and find souvenirs at cheaper price. Even you can negotiate. Even on the streets, sometimes they used to sell mixed fruits like strawberries, grapes, like all mixed fruits, dragon fruit, mango, kiwi, like colorful fruits. They will cut and put it in the box and they will sell it. Those days, like, you are really refreshing. Clothes. Especially if you are traveling to Georgia in winter season, definitely you need to carry thermal wears. Gloves, especially leather gloves, because when you are playing with the snow or this one, it won't get wet. You can play for a long time. And snow boots, snow pants, earmuffs, hat, and some mask like for your nose, because in the winter season when you are walking on the streets, even your nose will get like froze. You don't feel anything that you have a nose, that much cold it is. Your nose will go red colored, so better to carry some mask type one. But once you are adjusted for that weather, it's really amazing. Walking on the streets, completely safe. Really, we went for a walk, it is really safe. You guys can go and enjoy the weather, see the shops, see the walk path, how they're traveling, like zebra crossing lines. It's really organized. Walking on the streets, completely safe. You guys can go for a walk in the evening or morning, whenever you have time. Just go around, see the beauty of Georgia, their colors, their walking, the shops. It's really good. Always whenever you go for out, carry some cash with you, because so many shops, they won't accept the card. Always you need to give cash. Even Bolt, you must to carry cash only. In case cash is over, what to do? There is a solution for this. If you have credit card, you can withdraw cash from some ATMs. I hope this video is helpful for you. Have a safe journey to Georgia. If you have any doubts, please let me know in comments. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.